Hey guys, how's it going? Today, I'm about to present to you 2005 Toyota Corolla. In this video, I'm going to show you the interiors, wheels, the exterior of this car. And so guys, here's the key. Let's start the engine. Let it run for a while. Lock, unlock, unlock, lock, and of course aftermarket alarm. 1.6 liter inline 4, normal speed with variable valve timing. It produced 109 horsepower. Not bad. 3ZZ FE engine. It's all aluminum. It's not so reliable, but it's well built. This car has 8 airbags. Awesome seats. I'm gonna move this seat just a little forward, like so. And 3-spoke design, fully wrapped steering wheel. Awesome. Alright guys, 4-speed, extremely reliable, silky smooth automatic transmission. Let's start this Japanese car. This particular has 134,217 kilometers in it. Very nice setup. This car comes equipped with hydraulic assist power steering, floated steering wheel indeed. Horn doesn't work. Manual tilt and telescopic, of course. Very convenient. Right now, let's turn the headlight. Front fog lights, high beam, soul service lights right here. Alright. Central lock, or window lock. All 4 windows in this car fully automatic in both direction, up and down. Front windows. And back windows. Awesome. Alright guys, right now let's open the hood and take a good look at the exterior of this car. So right there to open the hood, it's quite easy.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break?
This car missing power moonroof and huge antenna, rear defrosting glass, third brake light, beautiful tail lights. This car doesn't have rear parking assist. Beautiful tail lights. Single exhaust, license plate lights. Steel rims with wheel covers. Tires measuring 195/60. Front ventilated disc brakes and rear solid disc brakes. Door moldings. Alright guys, I'm going to show you underneath on this car. Independent McPherson strut style suspension with anti-roll front and torsion bar on back. Manually folding exterior mirrors and your turns and pivots right here. Not bad. Cute. Halogen reflector headlights. Chrome grille, Toyota emblem. Alright guys, I'm going to show you underneath. Right now, take a good look at the exterior. Let's take a good look at the interior portion, the most interesting part of this beautiful car. Your tweeters right here, and main speakers, storage area. This portion is padded, not bad. Driver seat has manual adjustment, seat car recline right here, and sliding, adjustable headrests, and belts. Your pedals and OBD right there. Storage compartment, coin holder, and for the security. Alrighty guys, right now let's see what kind of noise this beautiful engine produces. Well, definitely not bad. Hybrid headlights, power exterior mirrors, also heated of course, and a light indicator controls, intimate wiper controls. You can increase and decrease the volume, see control buttons in different modes right here. Very good visibility overall. Extremely reliable. Hard touch plastic, of course your infotainment screen. You can adjust bass, treble, fader, balance, and so forth. Fuel economy. Alright. Disc right here, mute, eject, see control buttons. 6 customizable stations, as you can see. Factory system, not bad. Interesting bands. Your digital clock adjustment. Of course, single zone fully automatic climate control, side temperature, climate control, of course your temperature right here, and fan speed, different modes, face, knee, etc. Cycle settings, air conditioning on off, front defrost, one touch automatic. Quite easy, just set it and forget it. Storage compartment, right here, ashtray, lighter, heated seats, one stage for the driver and for the passenger basically. Shift lock, low gear selection, second star help, and overdrive button right here. Alright, awesome. Some storage compartment right here, and e-brake. Let's see, convenient cup holders. Storage right there. Auto rearview mirror. Illumination up top. Headlights. Card holder, vanity mirror, no illumination. This car feels incredible. Very tight suspension, extremely reliable transmission and engine. Awesome car. Alrighty guys, right now let's shut her down. Let's grab the key and continue our store. With my 603 statue, it's quite easy to get in and out. Very good visibility in my opinion. Fuel cap release and trunk release. Some corrosion right here, it's not good at all. Sometimes this car feels like a Lego. Fuel cap and your holder. Unleaded premium fuel only, of course. Child safety locks right here, and materials to carry over. SFX system, child anchors, adjustable headrests, of course. 64 split back seats, I believe. With my 603 statue, it's quite easy to get in and out. Indeed, your speaker, cut hook, side cut airbags, storage pocket right here and right there. center tunnel and ashtray. Beautiful interior. Well done, definitely. Of course, your illumination up top. Back visibility is pretty good. Alrighty guys, right now let's check trunk space, shall we? Trunk is huge. Summer tires right here. Not bad. And there is no handle to close the trunk lid. Awesome interior, very simple, well built. Sometimes this car feels like a tank. And you can find manual adjustment for passenger seat, minus seat height. Warning right here. Alright. Glove box is lockable, as you can see. Tire pressure. 195/50 15s. I'm sorry, 195/60 15s. And warning right here. Not bad in general. Airbag located right there. This car is truly amazing indeed. Alright guys, hope you enjoy my end-up look. It is beautiful. 2005 Toyota Corolla. Thanks for watching, thanks for sharing, for subscribing. Truly appreciate it. Take care guys.